Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a person sitting down in another perspective pose. So to lay this out, we're going to do one or two different things. So we have a surface. We are going to come toward, in this case, let's say toward our eye or the camera, like that. Just lay out some perspective lines. There's a perspective point, so everything is emanating from there. So now we'll put something out along those lines. Namely, it's a person sitting, as I said, but in that particular perspective pose. So we're going to determine the area for our frame. So if you could just go something like that. So oval for 1 foot, oval for the other foot, shin area, shin, knee, knee, go right back, and there's the lower torso, go up. Delt area, arm, elbow. Go back along that line. Draw another one if you have to here, just for perspective. So collarbone, head, other shoulder. So growing smaller as we go away from the camera, and the other arm. So there's our seated person already. Now we can give him, so let's say that we want to put something here. So let's actually first start by putting a rectangle. So rectangle going like that, real short here, bigger here. Let's put a box under him actually, so we could actually make this into something. It won't be that tall, but you have to like come and just put down some kind of shape so that he's sitting on something there. Here we get some legs, and we'll give it a backrest. Another shape right there. So everything put along that perspective, along those lines, and you'll see in a moment that this is very essential and very helpful an exercise in putting down a pose with extreme foreshortening. And it really works. It's very dynamic, and it can really enhance your sketching or your characters. So I'm putting the body right there. So that knee was a little high, so I'm just going to go and do that. That's the calf, of course, and the shin. You could do ovals again, put the figure down, and of course use very, very light strokes all through. Right, so the other leg, which is farther from us, delt, arm, elbow about here, and other arm right around there. Of course you'll make adjustments as you go. Collar structure, and of course now the head So I'm putting it out just like that for now. So he's looking straight ahead. So we put that down, and I think that it works for the most part. You could give him a seat right there. Legs for the chair. Legs back there. So now, of course, you will vary the placement. Now this placement is not correct in the sense because I should have made it go a little bit like that. What that would have done is come in like this, and it would have been just a little more accurate, or it could go right through him, that other leg, and further back, and then you could like show two legs there. Tilt this a little bit backward if you have to, just for making it a little more dynamic. But our objective was the person itself, so that's one very important perspective pose. And you can do some different things with this. For instance, you could have him look upward or away even, or straight. You could place the arms differently if you wish. You could have this arm like that, put a hand here, so he's maybe like resting body here, but you'll have to like do it with foreshortening. So this hand has to appear like quite big, fingers about that size. And so some of those different things that we can play around with. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.